Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Welcome back. Today I have a plan with me. I'm going to be on a filming spree today so that I'm not like super behind like I have been. I'm so sorry. I've just been so tired from so much stuff and been doing so many crazy things and just generally not feeling well too. So anyways, enough complaining and making excuses. Today I am using the Make It Blue kit from my shop, and you might notice something different about it. If you're not following me on Instagram or one of my newsletter subscribers, then you would not know that I now carry glossy paper. So I'm going to show you this kit and explain why I decided to do glossy, even though if you've been with me for a while, you know that it's definitely not my favorite paper. I love my matte vinyl or unicorn paper. But I've gotten a lot of people, especially in the last year, just be like, Melissa, is there a way you can make your stickers cheaper? I really like them, but I just can't afford them. I found that when I priced out glossy paper, it still has like that great quality, but it's much cheaper to produce. And so I was able to do that. So definitely check out the shop to see that. I think the price difference is for a full kit is $5 less. I could be wrong. It might be $4, but I can't remember off the top of my head. But yes, so now all stickers, not just kits, are available in glossy. So let's get into the plan with me. It feels very weird because I have not done this in a very long time. And I actually didn't plan for 2 whole weeks. The plan with me that went up last week was pre-filmed from like a month ago on one of my like major filming days, and so it was just, yeah, already had been done. But I haven't even filled in for 2 weeks ago. I haven't filled in for this or 3 weeks ago. I haven't filled in this current week. But I did fill in the week after. So yeah, I'll probably do like a sped up plan with me on this one on my Instagram. So yeah, I have just been so tired. I have a pre-existing medical condition. I think I've said that a few times in videos, and it causes fatigue and things like that, muscle soreness, like extra brain fog, all that kind of stuff. So basically doing this 5K almost every day, like 5 times a week, has just been like killing me. It's been a little much. I actually caught a cold last week, and I think it was because I was so exhausted that I ended up lowering my immune system, which is part of my issue. And so I've taken this weekend to kind of take a break. I say break, but in the process of being so tired after doing the 5Ks, I didn't get anything done like cleaning my house or working on the shop other than getting like new releases and orders out. So I'm trying to take the time this weekend to do that. I did do something for my dad. He's out of town and he's been wanting to paint his bathroom cabinets. So I did do that for him, and it's a surprise, so he doesn't know it when he comes home. So that'll be fun. But yeah, let's see what else is going on. Today's the 20th, it's the 22nd. But yeah, I just been trying to do that. Anyways, and then my friend Amanda, who I've talked about on a lot, she's in town again for another speech and debate tournament, and I'm going down tomorrow to see her. So that's a whole day that's gone also. So I'm just trying to get as much done as possible. Oh, I also forgot to show you that there is a new layout in this section. It used to be the 4 checklist boxes, but they were like solid, kind of like, where is it? I still have it. Oh, kind of like this one, but with check boxes. But I decided to make them ombre and then make little half ones because I like the half. Personally, I like the little half ones because they're nice to put within the week. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. I've thought about also, I saw Sweet Quiet Design do this, and I was thinking of making like a long strip for the sidebar that's kind of decorative. And I could go there because it just seems like a lot of check boxes to me. But that's, again, just a me thing. So let me know what you think about that. Okay, so I have my countdown stickers. Is it really going to be Palm Sunday next week? Yep. Craziness. I can't believe it's almost Easter. Okay. So what else was I going to talk to you about? Oh, I have a new series coming out. I'm still in the planning stages. I was hoping to get it at least like 1 or 2 done this week, but it's not gonna happen, so it's okay. This is an oops sheet. I cut through it. So if you ever wonder what I do with the oops sheets, I keep them for myself and use them. So yeah. Okay, I think I'm actually going to put this down at the bottom this time. I know I'm off the camera for that. So just to be different, I don't know why. I just want to try something different. Okay, and then which sticker do I want up here? I'm not gonna do it the full. I like having a little bit of space. I don't know. I'm so weird. I like my space. Let's see. So this is all choppy because things keep happening. Anyways, I just got a phone call, so that's fine. It just is what it is. So let's put in our stickers. Our full boxes. I'm gonna do some staggering because I haven't done that in a while. Oh my gosh. And I think it looks good. I think I'll save the like the sleepy time one and these ones for the weekend. I think that would be cute. Let's do the castle here. Like this. And then we'll go to the top. Up here. I have this extra one. I may use it on the Saturdays are for sleeping in. Actually, that's going to be too hard to put something to cover up that line, so I'm going to put it a little higher. Am I even in frame? I am. Awesome. It's like the one thing as like a plan with me or a planner YouTuber is that, actually, you know what? I think because it's going to be Palm Sunday, I'm going to use the crown because I think that's a good symbolic thing. And speaking of it being Palm Sunday, I'm going to put in my Lent stickers. Oops, I almost put it on Tuesday instead of Wednesday. Okay, this one. I think I'll put it here, and then I'm gonna put 2 of these with a piece of washi in the middle, like I always do. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. And then like so. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cute this is. Like, seriously, it's so cute. I love this art. If you're wondering, some of you are like, Melissa, didn't you have one like this a long time ago? Yes, but I mixed it with, it was 2 different things, and I've redone them, and there is a Make It Pink, which is the exact same pretty much, but all pink, which is awesome. So Mondays I tend to need a little bit of a to-do list, so I'm just gonna make a to-do right here. Wednesday, my dad has an appointment, so I'm going to use this one because he has some blood work he's got to get done, and so I have to remind him. And then Sunday, I feel like there's more stuff. Oh, I have birthdays. I have my birthday list over there. See, this is just one of those playing with me. I feel like all of them have been like that though lately. So I guess it's just me. I want to say it's playing with me's, you know, the craziness of everything, but I think it's just me. Although I might try to go in person since it's Palm Sunday. I'm going to put that there, but I might go in person if I get brave enough. Okay. Mondays I also do laundry, so I'm going to put my little laundry guy, my little Tigaro right there for the laundry. And then I think that's it. I can't remember if there's anything else. Actually, I want to take this and I want to put this instead. Oops, I think I'm probably going to go like this. I'm going to overlap it like so. Oops. Okay, and this is one of the reasons I hate Glossy. You can't reposition stickers if you've layered them. Because it tears up the ink. Let's try to get this more even in the middle. I think it just made it worse, but that's okay. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm probably, oh, birthdays. Okay, so I have a friend, 2 friends' birthdays on the 23rd. So I'm going to put a big one here. Half box for Janelle and Diana. And then this Tigaro right here. Being all happy it's their birthday. And then I have my friend Lucy. Her birthday is on the 25th. So I'm going to put this one here and the Tigaro like so. There we go. I think this turned out so cute, guys. I love it. I've kind of missed planning. I was like totally, I'll be completely honest with you. I was like, oh, I have to film. I need to. I didn't want to. And now that I'm doing it, I'm like, I'm so excited. I didn't think I'd have energy or anything like that. And I guess I just needed to film. So thanks, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of the new Glossy paper. I will see you guys next time. Bye.